Every night, when the lights go down, something remarkable happens inside your head. While the rest of the world sees stillness, your brain begins one of its busiest, most important jobs. It starts in a small structure called the pineal gland, which senses darkness and releases melatonin into the signal that tells your body it's time to wind down. Your heart rate slows, your body temperature drops slightly, and your brain waves begin to change. You enter light sleep first, a transitional stage, where your muscles relax and you can still be woken easily. Then, within about 20 minutes, you sink into deep sleep, also called slow-wave sleep. This is where the real repair work happens. Growth hormone surges, helping rebuild tissue and strengthen the immune system. And something remarkable happens at the cellular level. The spaces between your neurons actually widen, allowing cerebrospinal fluid to flow through more freely. This is the glymphatic system at work, the brain's own cleaning crew. It flushes out metabolic waste built up during the day, including beta amyloid, a protein linked to Alzheimer's disease, when it accumulates over time. In a very real sense, deep sleep is when your brain takes out the trash. At the same time, the hippocampus, your brain's short-term memory hub, begins replaying the events of the day. Bit by bit, it transfers select memories to the cortex for long-term storage, strengthening the ones that matter and quietly discarding the rest. About 90 minutes after you fall asleep, everything shifts again. You enter REM sleep, rapid eye movement sleep. Your eyes dart beneath closed lids. Your brain activity surges, looking almost as active as it does when you're awake. This is when most vivid dreaming occurs. The brain pulls together memories, emotions, and imagination into stories. Meanwhile, your body enters temporary paralysis, a safety mechanism that keeps you from physically acting out your dreams. Across the night, you cycle through these stages, light, deep, and REM, 4 or 5 times, 90 minutes each. Early cycles favor more deep sleep for physical repair. Later cycles favor more REM for emotional processing and memory. Miss out on enough of this, and the effects show up fast. Slower thinking, weaker memory and immune system, even mood changes. Sleep isn't downtime. It's maintenance, repair, and memory building, all running in parallel. By morning, a brain that spent hours cleansing itself is finally ready to wake, lighter, sharper, and renewed. All of this, every single night, just to give you a brain that's ready for a new day. Kindly like and share this video, subscribe to BUED Animation Hub for inspiring science educational videos. You can also watch our next science adventure video on the brain versus heart at sleep. See you in our next science adventure video on the brain vs. heart.